Hi, it's Mariga from Skin Essentials, and this is the second in our Christmas Gifts 2018 reveal. And of course, this is the really exciting part of the year for us. We love when our gifts come in. So if you haven't seen my first video, which is the Hydrate and Glow Universe collection for dehydrated skin, then this packaging will be brand new to you. So all of our gifts do come in the same packaging. So we have our white satin finish keepsake box. So this is something that you can use afterwards, either to keep your products in or to keep any random things around the house tidy for you. And they are finished either with our red satin bows or our red and white polka dot ribbons. So you can choose, or you can just have a surprise which one comes to you. So this is the second, and this is the Smooth and Calm collection. So when I'm putting these collections together every year, I try to go with what there are three collections. So I try to go with the three kind of most requested or most asked questions or most common skin types that we see here. And of course, one of the most common things that we talk about in Ireland is skin that tends to a little redness, skin that tends to irritation and to flushing. So the Smooth and Calm collection is to help you deal with that, both in a short and long-term manner. So I will explain that to you. So there are three products in this, and I just have to check the price. This is retailing at €139, but there is €161 value to this kit. So while stocks last, this is actually at a great price of €139. So in here we have three products, and all of these are focused on, as I said, both short and long-term help for skin that is reactive, that tends to redness. Now, something that surprises everybody that we speak to first who has that type of skin is that, yes, you can exfoliate. Now, you know me, I'm not big into the mad exfoliation. It's not something that you need to be doing all of the time. But people, particularly who have reactive, sensitive, vascular type of skin, tend to never really exfoliate because they can't, because any product that they try will cause a flare-up. So on that particular type of skin, funny enough, we do tend to need to exfoliate a little more often in the beginning. And our enzyme exfoliator, which is a fantastic universal sort of home care product, it gets you in between your facials when you can't get in as often as you'd like, or even just to keep everything fresh between your facials. You can use this enzyme exfoliator safely at home on even the most reactive skin. So for somebody who tends to be very reactive very quickly, we just reduce the time. So you can leave this up to 10 minutes, but 5 minutes is absolutely enough to get a result on your skin if you are that bit more sensitive. And over time, of course, the idea with the rest of the kit is that we will be building up your skin to really improve its resistance and reduce the whole redness issue. So the enzyme exfoliator is like a home care treatment you can do safely at home, even on the most sensitive skin. So the second product in this kit is the anti-redness concentrate. Now this is a serum, and again, like all of our products, it is a multi-use. So the main point of this serum is anti-redness, that's what it says on the front. So for anybody who has rosacea, who has a tendency to flushing, who has just a little bit of high colour in their skin, this is a progressive treatment that you use every single day, but it also has your anti-aging in it because that's what we like to do around here. So you would use this every day. I would recommend use it in the morning under your SPF, and because it does have antioxidants in it as well, which are going to be great defense against UV light. And over time, this has some instant calming effects, but over time, this really, really controls that hot trigger for flushing and vascular issues that people with that type of skin have. So you can use it every day, immediate anti-inflammatory plus long-term reduction of these issues and long-term anti-aging as well. So that is our anti-redness concentrate. One pump of that is enough, and you can use all of our products, with the exception of the enzyme exfoliator, all of our products right around the eye area and on the eyelid, with the enzyme exfoliator just stop a little short of the eye. So the third product in this kit is our Skin Comfort Cream. So this is a lovely multi-purpose. So this is rich but very, very light, so it won't give you any greasy feeling on your skin. It will absorb. So this has plant butters, plant oils, hyaluronic acid, very important as well. But also a lot of added benefit from antioxidants, plant sterols, which are deeply moisturizing. So, and lovely pomegranate oil as well, pomegranate seed oil, which is really very comforting on the skin. So this will be used at nighttime over your nighttime serum. It can be used during the day. You can use first your anti-redness and then a little of this, but don't forget during the day you need to pop a little bit of SPF over the top as well. So as well as being your everyday moisturizer plus your repair with all of those moisturizing and antioxidant ingredients, this does have some anti-redness ingredients in it as well. So immediate comfort, but also of course the long-term progressive anti-redness, which is what you want from a Smooth and Calm collection. So that is our 3 products in the Smooth and Calm collection, and they are available while stocks last, both online and from our reception here. So you can give us a call if you want us to put those aside for you, or you can buy them online directly from skinessentialsbymariga.com, and you will see all of the different options for shipping and for payment on there. Thank you so much for watching, and of course if you have any questions, just give me a call.